Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Livy and I am a backpacker, traveler, budget traveler, whatever you want to call me. And I am prepping right now to go on my next big trip, which is 4 months in Europe. And so I've got day bag / plain carry-on bag. And I've got, these are the sneakers I'm going to be wearing. And my 30-liter backpack. So this is Mountain Hardware's 30-liter Wayback bag. This is the same bag I brought with me to Asia, and it's still in great condition considering I think that was a 4 or 5 month trip. So first this is the top compartment. And then a Canadian flag. So in this one I just have some slippers from an airplane that I haven't used yet that I just keep in here. These are laundry sheets, so you can just cut them as you need them, and you can actually bring these on carry-on, which is great if you're just flying carry-on. It's an adapter, deodorant. I'm actually really surprised. The last time I went traveling, this bag was jam-packed, couldn't get another thing in it. And this time, I think I got better at packing because I still have room, so if I buy anything, I've got room to pack it. I've got my flip-flops. And I have a baggage strap that has a lock on it, so you can lock your bag up. I also have the TSA lock here as well. And this is just a mini camera tripod for my Sony. Now for that one, inside, I've got my North Face rain jacket all folded up in on itself. Stuff bag. So in here is all my face creams, lots of suntan lotion. Since I'm checking a bag, I'm bringing a big one. This stuff's pretty expensive. Hair elastics, nail clippers, that sort of stuff. The only thing, I don't really wear makeup, but in case I need it, I do have, I have a mini palette. And then I've got my 3 packing tubes. I've got the shirts, pants, swimsuits, and underwear and that sort of stuff. So in the swimsuits, I've got 2 black and 1 colored suit. And I've also got a microfiber towel that rolls up on itself. It's really nice. Oh, and then 3 sports bras, 5 sets of socks and underwear. I'm going to try and do laundry once a week, but we'll see. In the pants, I've got a dressier pair of shorts, just plain black shorts. These are black leggings, go with a lot of things. I've got 1 dress, it's pretty cute. I've got some loose flowy pants that I bought in Thailand, just in case, mostly for lounging around or sleeping in. And then just 1 long flowy skirt. So that's it for pants. These cubes also came with me to Asia, and they are still in great condition. They're really nice compression cubes, so they zip up, so they compress down a bit. I'm not packing any sweaters. I'm just going to wear 1 oversized sweater on the plane, and that's it. There we go. Okay. And then for shirts, I've got a black thermal long sleeve. This is Icebreaker. I've got a nice cotton long sleeve, so it can cover up, but still not be too hot. I've got a cropped black tank top. I've got 3 tank tops, burgundy, gray, and black. I tried to pick neutral colors that kind of all go together, so it's easier to mix and match. I've got a plain gray tee. Then this black tee I'm going to wear on the plane. I might pack 1 more shirt, I don't know. And a cropped white tee. is my 20-liter Osprey bag. So on the outside I've just got some bamboo utensils that I use. Oh, and there's also a metal straw. I've also got the floaty piece for my GoPro. And in the first pouch, I've got my passport, one of my masks. This is for locking up your bag. I got this great bracelet one of my coworkers gave me before I left. Love the colors. Got my sleeping mask and just some snacks in there. And in the main pocket, I was hoping to have a smaller bag. I've got a lot of electronics. I've got the, what do you call this stuff? Oh my god, I'm blanking on the word. Toiletries that I want to bring on the plane with me. So I've got just a headband, my vitamin C. I don't know if I can bring an electric toothbrush. I gotta check that. Or if that has to be checked. Little mini sunscreen. My toner. My scrunchie. I've got some alcohol wipes in here. Some face wipes. That sort of stuff. And this bag is all my GoPro. Oh, this is my hard drive for backing everything up. I've got some Expanse stickers in here. And then I've got my GoPro. It's got the media kit. And then I've got some extra batteries in here for it. And a couple adapters. I've also got, so this is like for handlebars of a bike. We're hoping to rent bikes in some of the cities and just bike around instead of taking transit. So I figured I'd bring that with me. Just my laptop. This is part of the reason I couldn't use my smaller bag is because I bought a new laptop and I want it to be protected. So I've got this like padded case for it, but it takes up more room in my bag. And then I've got my e-reader. Right now I'm reading a memory called Empire. I can't see because of the glare. And this is a backpack strap for a GoPro, so I can strap it to a backpack. So this is one of those like airplane Hello thingies, but it like blows up so you can compress it when you're not using it. Genius. And then this is my cable organizer. So I've got my cables for my phone, my GoPro, my hard drive, and then extras. And again, more extra SD cards. I think that's it. Oh yeah, I have some masks with me. I don't know what the mask mandates are going to be like in Europe, so I'm just bringing some. I really like these ones because they're a bit smaller. I find the blue ones don't quite fit my face right, but these pink ones are great. The only thing left to pack in here, and there's still room, are my cameras. So I've got my mini vlogging camera that is right here, and then I've got one of my Sonys. So those are both fitting here as well. I never look forward to doing the security because like everything in this bag needs to come out. The toiletries, the laptop, the cameras, the GoPro, everything. And it's so annoying to unpack and repack everything, but that's what I get for bringing it with me. So that's it. This is my carry-on bag, my full-size bag that I'm checking, and that is everything I'm bringing for 4 months in Europe. So I actually decided last night to swap out my Osprey 20-liter day bag for this backpack, just a plain black backpack. It just, even though they're roughly the same size, this just fits everything so much better in there, especially with this big case for my laptop. And it's more comfortable to carry on the front, which I'll have to do when I'm carrying both my bags. So that's it. I am ready to go, and I will see you guys in Europe. Thanks for watching.